So where did it start? Why is it still happening? And where is it going? The reason Gear Up Get Out started was because I realized that there was a lack of information for women motorcyclists. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna make some content for women riders. That's cool. The reason why I continue is because it's been incredibly rewarding to provide information for riders that is helpful and helps empower them. Where I hope for this to go, the channel has started to evolve and now it's including more and more content for all riders. This year, I'm gonna change things up. New content for all riders every week. Before I end this video, I just want to send a quick thank you to everyone who's been supporting me along the way. I really couldn't have done it without your help and encouragement. Thank you.